Hello everybody, today we're gonna be replacing the Digitizer on the 2013 Hyundai Veloster. If you can see, this one has a lot of like marks, like cracks, but it's not really cracked, it just uh, got bad because the car is parked outside and the sunlight, the heat and everything else, it just caused this. The first thing we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be disassembling those brackets. This mounting bracket. Now we're going to separate the screen from this back housing. We'll remove those fault screws here. So yes, let's see. I think it has clips here. Let's see. Yep, it does. Go the other way. Once we got it out, we have to be aware see it has the clip here, it has to be rotated, so very careful with those wires. It's already out, so now we're gonna turn it this way and gonna lift this wire out. Let's see, I think this one, so we lift this tab here, get this wire out. I think this is another tab. Let's see. See how it goes out. I think, yeah, this tab here, this one is the tab that you lift up. This one, insert something in between and you slide it forward and then you get loose. And now it's all out. Took me a while to figure out. I had to go get my glasses because I wasn't able to see it. So now what we're gonna do, we're not doing anything else with this one. We're gonna pull this way and remove this piece here first. those two wires goes here. So get rid of them. Put everything together. And then I'm gonna remove this one's here. Put it all together. That way now they belong to this plate. So 6 black screws all around. As you can tell, I think somebody had it opened before, or I don't know if it's like that from factory. It has a black dot here. It had dots around. I don't know what it really means, but so we got this out. Got to be aware of these wires. It goes like this. This goes with this. Let's fix this one. You see it's out. Let's fix it. There was no other way set. I guess it came like that from factory. Okay. We got it all out. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this top here, pull those two wires, okay, I think that's it, and I guess this one too. Let's see, got 3 wires, so I guess this one goes forward, see, and this one. So we got everything out. No, we'll need to get this one out. Let's put it back. It seems like this one, these two only. Let's see, let's be sure. Yep, yeah, we don't have to get them out. So we got all them. This one stays. This one's out. This one's out. This one stays. So this wire here, it would be this one back here. You slide this one out. If you put it back, it's pushing it. To remove it, it's pushing it out, and you get this wire out. So it's already a few seen. So next step will be cut the sealant. I have a blade here somewhere. Very carefully. This goes here around. It cuts really easy. It's easy with these plates. I got this side. I go around. first time doing it, so don't blame me for taking me a little. So it's out already. Lift it up. If you've seen, there's a wire that we removed from the back. It goes out. It's out already. I guess it has to be clean. You see, it's all dirty. So now I was looking in Amazon for buy a replacement for it. This one has 4 pins, and there's some that has 7 pins. So be aware when you're buying the replacement for it. So it's a plastic piece. That's why it tends to get yellow like this, and they break pretty easy.